Jake Mendoza, how do you handle and solve a conflict with coworkers? How do you answer this? You want to assess the situation. So you want to write down the situation and you study it. You study the problem. So you need to define the problem first. What is the problem with a coworker? After you've defined what the problem is with a coworker, you need to be specific. Hindi pwedeng nakakainis si coworker, or you can say that the coworker is annoying, so that's the reason for the conflict. You need to specify the behavior. So for example, the coworker is going to work late, so for example, and then once you define the problem, you need to say it in a nice way. You can't say it na lagi ka na lang late, or the English version, you can't say that you're always late, kasi when you use the word always, when you're pointing out someone else's fault, ang dating, ginajudge nyo sila, inaakusahan nyo sila. So that's the wrong way to communicate fault with a coworker. Kasi you have to remember, the coworker will be there after nyo mag-away. So magkikita pa rin kayo everyday. So you need to say it in a way na hindi sila ma-offend. You can just point out that Monday you arrived 30 minutes late, on Tuesday you arrived 10 minutes late, earlier you arrived 1 hour late, and we need to improve this. So you need to communicate your concern. You need to communicate the consequence if the behavior is not corrected. And then you propose the solution. After you propose the solution, you need to get the commitment from the coworker. So that's how you solve that.